There are 8 species of pelicans in the world, and I'm going to show you 2 of them. Who belongs to these orange legs wading in the water? The American white pelican. I'm going to show you how they catch fish by scooping it right out of the river. But stay tuned, because if you've never seen the brown pelican, they can be pretty comical. I've got some fun video coming up, but don't let that fool you. These pelicans, they can dive from 100 feet in the air straight into the water for their fish. The bigger the fish, the higher the dive. So let's get started. First, I was down at the river watching these 2 pelicans, and then here comes a third pelican. He's going to kind of join the group, but it looked like there was something wrong with him. He had his head lower and his neck kept shaking. And I thought, I wonder if he's okay. Oh, here comes another barge and a tugboat. Oh, towboat, my bad. Oh, look at that fish jump. Man, I get distracted easy. Alright, so now they're swimming back towards me. I'm going to get a closer look. Well, he has a fish in his pouch. That's what it is. I'm really not sure. I looked up information on what they're doing. It kind of looks like he's trying to stun the fish. Alright, here we go again. He's washing the fish. Let's see if he's going to swallow the fish this time. Down the hatch. One more. Down the hatch. Nope. Not yet. Now I think he's looking right at me. Like he's trying to show off. Like, here, see what I can do? And it's like, did you see it? Did you see it? Like he's really proud of being able to do that. They're so funny sometimes. Now I hate to say it, but I never did see if he swallowed that fish. A boat came by and they took off. These birds are pretty smart. They keep an eye on each other just in case somebody drops a fish. And look at this bird flying over me. Now, if that doesn't look like he's looking right at me. This is the Gulf of Mexico. We were down here last winter, and this is the first time that I got to see the brown pelican. I'm going to zoom in on this boat way out there. And these are brown pelicans. Now first, I'd like to introduce you to this pair of brown pelicans that I'm going to name Mo and Joe. They're kind of goofy looking, but I was on a fishing pier, and a man was cleaning fish and throwing fish out to all the pelicans. Now if you notice, Mo and Joe are standing up there on the dock thinking they're going to get a better chance to catch a fish. Now just watch them and they miss. They look at each other like, why didn't you catch that one? Why didn't you catch that one? Alright, let's try it again. Oh, they missed again. No, they're still those poor guys. Now watch, this next clip, he's gonna get really close to the edge. He's got his web foot right on that hose. It's like, I'm going to reach up and get this one. And no. He wasn't even close. I was starting to feel sorry for the guys. Now, if this isn't something right out of Jurassic Park, they look so prehistoric. Now next, this is what the brown pelicans are known for. Diving from above the water. Thank you for watching as I say goodnight to you from the Mississippi River. And as always, I hope to see you next time on Adventures Outdoors.